So you have a world and you want to add portals to it, maybe to take you to another world you made or just somewhere else. Not a problem. Let's go ahead and show you how to do this in just 1 minute. First thing we're going to need to do is go to all prefabs and just look up portal. Drag and drop it in. Now the second thing we need to do is get a world ID. If you have worlds, you can find this under Control Panel, Content Manager, and then Copy ID. Place your world ID in there. By default, it'll show the world name of the one you're inputting, but if you want it to show something else, you can customize it right here. Now, this won't work in play because it is a networked event, so we need to go into Control Panel, Builder, Build and Test. Now, we are in our network build and test mode, and you can see the portal is working as expected. And if you just walk into it, it will take you where you need to go. Of course, since we are in build and test, we actually can't travel. Now let's say you want to link to one of your favorite public worlds. Well, we can just go onto VRChat.com and look up any of these worlds. If we click on a world at the top, we'll see this ID right here. Go ahead and grab that and just plug that in instead. It'll work the exact same way. Hope you guys learned something and enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.